तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम क्या खाना चाहते हो? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? वह क्या कह रहा है? What is he saying? What is he saying? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? तुमने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? हम क्या करें? What should we do? What should we do? वह क्या पढ़ रही है? What is she reading? What is she reading? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? वह क्या बनाना चाहती है? What does she want to make? What does she want to make? तुम क्या सीख रहे हो? What are you learning? What are you learning? उसने क्या लिखा? What did he write? What did he write? तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? वह क्या ढूंढ रहा है? What is he looking for? What is he looking for? तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? तुम क्या पढ़ते हो? What do you study? What do you study? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you searching for? What are you searching for? उसने क्या पूछा? What did he ask? What did he ask? तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to become? What do you want to become? यह क्या आवाज है? What is this sound? What is this sound? हम क्या सीख सकते हैं? What can we learn? What can we learn? तुम क्या बोल रहे हो? What are you speaking? What are you speaking? उसने क्या जवाब दिया? What answer did he give? What answer did he give? तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you watching? What are you watching? तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? वह क्यों रो रही है? Why is she crying? Why is she crying? तुम देर से क्यों आए? Why did you come late? Why did you come late? वह स्कूल क्यों नहीं गया? Why did he not go to school? Why did he not go to school? तुम मुझे क्यों बुला रहे हो? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? तुम क्यों पढ़ रहे हो? Why are you studying? Why are you studying? उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did he do that? Why did he do that? तुम क्यों परेशान हो? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? वह क्यों चिल्ला रहा है? Why is he shouting? Why is he shouting? तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? तुम मुझसे क्यों नाराज हो? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? वह क्यों भाग गया? Why did he run away? Why did he run away? तुम क्यों इंतजार कर रहे हो? Why are you waiting? Why are you waiting? वह क्यों हंस रहा था? Why was he laughing? Why was he laughing? तुम काम क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Why are you not working? Why are you not working? तुम मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? उसने फोन क्यों नहीं उठाया? Why did he not answer the phone? Why did he not answer the phone? तुम घर क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going home? Why are you going home? वह क्यों डर रहा है? Why is he afraid? Why is he afraid? तुम जल्दी क्यों उठे? Why did you wake up early? Why did you wake up early? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? वह कहाँ रहता है? Where does he live? Where does he live? तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? मेरा बैग कहाँ है? Where is my bag? Where is my bag? वह कहाँ बैठा है? Where is he sitting? Where is he sitting? तुमने उसे कहाँ देखा? Where did you see him? Where did you see him? तुम कहाँ पढ़ते हो? Where do you study? Where do you study? वह कहाँ जा रहा था? Where was he going? Where was he going? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? तुमने ये किताब कहाँ खरीदी? Where did you buy this book? Where did you buy this book? वह कहाँ खड़ा है? Where is he standing? Where is he standing? तुम कहाँ से आए? Where did you come from? Where did you come from? तुमने उसे कहाँ पाया? Where did you find it? Where did you find it? वह कहाँ खेल रहा है? Where is he playing? Where is he playing? तुम कहाँ बैठोगे? Where will you sit? Where will you sit? वह कहाँ पढ़ रहा है? Where is he studying? Where is he studying? तुम छुट्टी में कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go on vacation? Where will you go on vacation? तुमने मेरा पेन कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep my pen? Where did you keep my pen? वह अभी कहाँ है? Where is he now? Where is he now? तुमने उसे कहाँ बुलाया? Where did you call him? Where did you call him? वह कहाँ काम कर रहा है? Where is he working? Where is he working? तुम मुझे कहाँ मिलोगे? Where will you meet me? Where will you meet me? हम कहाँ मिल सकते हैं? Where can we meet? Where can we meet? तुमने ये कहाँ सीखा? Where did you learn this? Where did you learn this? वह कहाँ जा चुकी है? Where has she gone? Where has she gone?